The first thing I'm going to do is take my shoulder to shoulder measurement, divide by 2. Then I'm going to place it on the shoulder line. From this point here, I'm going to mark my shoulder, divide by 2. So you place your measuring tape from one tip of your shoulder to the other, then divide by 2. So I'm just going to mark it right here. The next, I'm going to get my shoulder to full length of the bodice by placing the measuring tape from the tip of the shoulder to wherever you want your bodice to end. If you want it half length or full length, it's up to you. The next, I'm going to mark my shoulder to chest measurement. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line on the shoulder to chest measurement, as you can see. Then next, I'm going to mark my shoulder to bust measurement. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So next, I'm going to mark my neck width measurement by placing, so this was the shoulder to shoulder measurement. Next, I'm going to mark my neck width measurement by dividing my neck circumference by 6. The next, I'm going to mark my neck depth measurement. Then I'm going to curve my neckline with my curve ruler. So I'm just going to connect these points together, as you can see. The next, I'm going to slant my shoulder slope by coming down by 1 inch. Then I'll connect this shoulder slope to my neck width. The next, I'm going to drop down this to my chest line. Then I'm going to curve my armhole. I'm going to find the midpoint of that. From that point down to the chest line, I'll find the midpoint. Then at the midpoint, I'm going to go inwards by half an inch, as shown. Then I'm going to curve and shape my armhole. So this is how you easily shape your armhole, guys. Very easy. If you love this video and find it useful, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So next, I'm going to impute my circumference of my bust and chest. So my chest circumference, divide by 4 plus seam allowance and ease, I'll mark it right there. My bust circumference, divide by 4 plus ease and seam allowance, I'll mark it right there. Then I'll go down to my waist, divide by 4 plus ease and seam allowance, and mark it right down here. The next, I'm just going to connect the points. So guys, if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So this is how you easily make the basic bodice block. So for the back, you're going to drop down your neck depth by 1 inch, then make the back neckline, as you can see. So this is the back neckline. The back neckline is smaller than the front neckline. So I'm just going to cut these pieces out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing and pattern drafting tutorials. Bye.